The Vimshottari Dasha system divides a native's life into 120-year Dasha system, where each planet out of the 9 planets in a birth chart are given a certain period or Dasha, this means the same thing, for the native. It follows an order where the Ketu Dasha is always followed by Venus, always followed by Sun, Moon, Mars, and so on. The Mahadasha periods for these planets are divided into, this here total is 120 years, and the longest Mahadasha belongs to Venus, which is of 20 years, and the shortest Mahadasha belongs to Sun, which is of 6 years. Starting Mahadasha at birth, this is different for different natives. So this Dasha is important because it will decide the order and when you will have your own Venus Mahadasha or a Rahu Mahadasha. So starting Mahadasha at birth is very important, and it is decided based on that native's moon nakshatra lord. For example, native's moon is in Vishakha. The nakshatra lord of Vishakha is Jupiter. So the first Mahadasha at the time of birth for this native would be of Jupiter. The next Mahadasha would be of Saturn, Mercury, then Ketu, and then so on. So this cycle will be followed. Mahadasha, which basically means the major period, therefore lasts many years for everyone. But this Mahadasha is then divided into further dashas. A Mahadasha can be divided into Antardasha, which basically means the sub-period, and it lasts for a few months to a couple of years inside this Mahadasha. Antardasha can be further divided into PratyantarDasha of the 9 planets, or the sub-period, which lasts from a few weeks to several months. PratyantarDasha is further divided into Sukshmadasha, or the sub-period, which lasts a few days to a couple of weeks. And Sukshma Dasha is divided into Prandasha, or micro period, that lasts a few days or sometimes even hours. So for example, if a native is running Mercury Mahadasha, which has to be 17 years, for this native the Mercury Mahadasha is running from 2010 to 2027, which amounts to 17 years. The Antardasha of Mercury to Saturn, so Saturn's Antardasha would last around 2 years, 8 months, 12 days with these dates, and the Pratyantar Dasha of Venus will last 5 months, 12 days. The Sukshma Dasha of Rahu would last 26 days, while the Prandasha, the smallest micro period, would last 3 days.